Say startups North India as part population is concerned. I'm not one Purambasi Semayakwa of the Kuri. DG Separate 2.0 is designed to support consent of students and aspiring entrepreneurs, providing all necessary support. I, as the youth present here today, to think boldly and act confidently. State C, officers in startups in North India as part population is concerned. I'm not one Purambasi Semayakwa of the Kuri. And secondly, asigi crisis period ke Manipur Sarkar ki tabak kudimak Sarkar bimanga mulate but entrepreneurs na karna madadna start bitevna mating pangwiba chawna mating pangbasi chegi nuwaizaba mani at the same time last time Singi district singa yorani high so matang lakadawa sigi startup ki plan singa Singi district sinsu ninthina yawlakanda Manipur ke apun masal tamam pukul lakuda startup so what of Ganglo view haisara kanda intense jari kurang uthala se